trapped inside this spell. Now I feel like your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel
Hey Chad, what's going on, baby? You guys are getting a double dose of me yet today. I hope you guys are doing well. Chris, how's that half day feeling, bro?
First question, how are you feeling being on, your body gets used to only streaming once. So how's that conditioning holding up?
Hey, bro.
Holding
Never
up
forget
well.
the old tricks. The body still can do those 2 streams.
I love it. Now I'm feeling good. Good to be here. This week has flown by.
Yeah.
In all honesty, this week has absolutely it's gone. Friday, NFP tomorrow, big one. Hope the guys, the nerves are, how's your nerves?
I must say I'm quite locked in for it, bro. I must say I'm quite locked in. I think it's going to be a good one tomorrow. I've already been thinking about it, looking at a few stuff, debating a few things with myself. So again, the Project G guys, I think you guys are in for an insight tonight. But yeah, I think it's going to be a good one, bro. And you?
No, I'm locked in. I think I already know what I'm looking at. I'm going to quickly tell you now. Just going to hold this.
Yeah.
Okay, same.
All right, so we're obviously going to build up our thesis on tonight, but we are on the same idea, yeah. So it's going to be good, guys. We are already intersynced, yeah. But before we get into any of that good stuff, as always, we talk a little bit of fundamental chats. We're going to talk a little bit about the Forex industry. We're going to talk about what the cracker is going to do. But before we do that good stuff, Chris, will you open us up with some prayer, brother?
How was your prayer this morning? Did it go through the ceiling, through the roof? Was it in the prayer room? Was it in the throne room of heaven?
It was top class stuff, bro.
Really?
Top class.
How was it power? Chad, let me know. Give me a 7 in the chat if that prayer was power.
Hillsong's going to be writing another song about it, bro.
No, dude, but no, not Hillsong. No, dude, not Hillsong. Jexy, I look younger. It's actually my hair. So I went to the barber. I said I want something else. So he said I'm going to do something a little bit messy. And I said, dude, I'm not a messy guy. So this is fighting with my inner OCD. All right. Even a 7.5. All right. So now it was a power prayer. Good. So I've got some work to do here. Chad, but it's not about the power of your prayer. It's about the position of your heart. All right. So it's not about the words, it's about where your heart is at. So we're just going to prepare our hearts here. Father, we just thank you for another day. Thank you for another week. Thank you for each and every member here. Father, we just want to come with grateful hearts here this afternoon. Thank you that you carve a way for us. You make any mountain in front of us flat. Father, you guide us. You lead us, and I pray that you will lead Keegan into the session. I pray your hand of protection over him, over his family, everything he does. Father, I pray that you will bless him, myself, and each and everyone listening here. Father, we just pray for your hand of blessing and power and mercy to be over us. We pray for the session. We just want to thank you in advance that you say in your word that you shall supply our every need according to your riches that are in heaven, Father. And we just thank you that your will be done, not our will, Father. You are the Alpha, the Omega, the beginning and the end, the all-knowing, omnipresent God, and you know what is good for us. And we just pray that your will be done in our lives, in our businesses, in our families. And we want to thank you for that in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you believe that, Chad, you can just drop amen right now. Amen. Keeks. Beautiful.
That was beautiful, bro.
What would rate?
I felt that breaking the ceiling there, bro.
Hey, bro. What would you rate that on the power rating? Like a 7.5, 8?
Hey, bro. We going 777 there, bro.
Hey.
We got those 777s there.
Beauty. Messi looks good on you, Chris. Thanks, Anna.
All right. Better right, guys. Let's not running this baby up here. Us off with the fundamental chats. Again, we don't go through much about that, but the big focus of today, 230, we obviously had PCE, we had employment, and we had unemployment claims. So unemployment having a bit of a drop there in the employment cost index, coming out with that 0.8, so looking quite good there. And then obviously your PCE it's coming out as expected with that increase, so really seeing that there. But 3:45, 15 minutes after the crackers going to get down to business, we got Chicago PMI, so we're going to have a nice double dose of volume coming into the markets.
My back is itchy.
Guys, when I saw that, I was trying to figure out what Chris was going to do now.
You thought I'm going to ask, what is the perfect size here?
I was so confused with, there were so many ways that was going to go right now.
Dude, I already saw the ladies like, yo, we want to comment on size. We already prayed for you guys, please. Yes, to my back.
But let's carry on, guys. So going over to the charts, DXY looking quite interesting here for us. So again, having that neutral outlook, we obviously spoke about this, that daily key level coming into play. That
wait. Sorry. I was off there. Okay. Sorry, Keys.
The 103,450 level, that's what you guys want to watch out for. If you guys are either not in Prodigy, you guys are missing out with those weekly prep calls. And again, if you guys are not even in London session, the little thing of me being here for the last 2 days, I gave you a bit of insight there as well. So coming out perfectly as planned, and we really are seeing this come to tuition. So again, holding this daily S1, if this continues here, the fact we trade back up, held that weekly pivot, back at this level, probability tells me we are not going to hold the support twice, creating nice equal lows. That will be a nice point of volume. So we want to see the markets obviously break through here, and then coming back down to that daily key level. That will be the outlook for me, what I'm going to see on DXY for the day. NASDAQ, again, being a little bit of a neutral one, purely because obviously we know earnings coming out, there's a lot of big companies with some possibilities that can drive this alone. So that's where we have that neutral outlook. But again, we have broken past that weekly pivot, holding the backside of that weekly pivot, and now holding the daily S1. So as always, again, falling a little bit short of the daily S2, but as you always like to say, if it's not a test, that is not the test. So again, came close but not it. So if this holds underneath here, I'm still going to say daily S2 and probably even back down to this level of support. Otherwise, if we get back above Asia lows and holding the weekly pivot, Asia highs are untested as well as that previous daily low. If NASDAQ gets anywhere above this previous daily low, then I think the buys are on very, very nice, and you can probably go up to that EQ. So that's what I'll look for NAS. Then US30, we're going to look over here. Again, still very, very much bearish. We obviously said to you guys, there's two levels I'm really focused on. So obviously we broke these levels of support, but the main one being the yearly R2. I said that is the make or the break for US30. Again, we held the support. Next candle came back up, holding that level of support that was broken, turned to resistance, holding that perfectly and coming right back down again. So if we look at the 15, that was your nice pullback area, and the same thing as you spoke about. If you guys were here this morning, there was your play, holding daily S1, the sell off, coming back up now to this level, holding that level resistance, failing to get back to the S1. Again, I'd like to see that little bit of a run daily S2, possibly even further below. But if we do go back to the Asia range, not only that is now Asia lows, but previous daily lows. If we get back in above there, this I'll look for that little bit of sweep and start moving to the top side. So just be careful there, but I do like the bearish idea on US30. And then with gold, as we said to you guys, I didn't want to say the sells were the definite thing. I said be careful of it, purely because, again, big thing we're missing here is when you look at this, very, very clear momentum, massive candles. But when we got past this weekly R1, approaching the weekly R2, one thing you noticed, massive candles became smaller candles with a lot more wick on those candles. Starting again, we are starting to have momentum slow down. So again, we can see that break to the downside. So that's why we wanted to avoid that. Again, same thing we said. Unfortunately, time-wise, this was 8:30. You had the break of that range, the retest, and then coming back down. And again, even Asia lows. Once breaking Asia lows, there was your retest, holding underneath, you would have entered. And again, just not really getting that trade, unluckily. but coming all the way back down, holding under the EQ and just waterfalling. So anyone that took that in London session, hats off to you guys. That was a beautiful, beautiful trade. The whole idea was to trade to the weekly R1. So even because of this massive, massive shift, I personally won't take any trades because, again, I always say I believe there's one possible trade in a day, and you've had that sell-off. And whether it was there, whether you took it at the EQ, anywhere like that, you had that sell-off, and that is your TP area. So I do not want to play in something. If I missed the bus, I missed it, and that is life. So pretty much that's everything on my side. Chris, what you looking at, bro?
Shot, man. I'm a little bit of a full analysis here for you guys. So just a little tip. The core PCE is one of the favorite inflation indicators that the Fed look at. So I know a lot of guys look at CPI. The Fed love, absolutely love to look at this. So just keep that in mind. Data looking relatively solid here for the dollar, going straight into the daily. I must actually bring this here for you guys so you can see that. It's a little note for myself. Okay, here we go. Daily, I would have been bearish today purely because we've rejected that daily key level there. I would have expected that wick fill, but now it's a case of how deep do we go. And I want to see what we do here a little bit later on the dollar. And then also, secondly, we've got that zone there. So this is going to be our trading zone for the day. I would definitely be bearish while we hold below the previous daily low, which is up there. There's those two little zones I spoke about. So two smaller levels that I'm looking at is the previous daily low, and I'm looking at the daily S1. So for the bulls, first level that they need to hold is the daily S1, and then secondly, they need to get above that previous daily low. But you guys can clearly see the order flow has been bearish. There's your weekly pivot, there's your Asia low, there is your 200 EMA. So everything is still pointing down. What do we expect if we had a trending day during London? We had a trending day during Asia. We're expecting some type of pullback during New York. All right, so that is my idea. US 30 daily is still bearish for me. Let me just bring this across as well for you guys. US 30 is still bearish for me. Yesterday I spoke about that being the lower high. All right, so that is the structure. We are in fact bearish on this market. Yesterday closing bearish, so the first level of support that I would have been looking at is this zone down here. That was where we actually bounced away from, actually gapped up, and now we're sitting in this zone. All right, so now this little gray zone here, daily S2, that is where we're going to see what is going to happen down here, daily S2, and then we've got our daily S1. So it's very likely we'll have a trending day down because we failed to hold above the daily S1. So we are going for the daily S2. All right, Keeks, what is the cracker doing?
The cracker is looking for buys, but it's a very close one, but it is buys.
Okay, wait, let me just see. That makes me a little bit nervous. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, so cracker looking for buys. Hopefully we buy now. Yeah, so I will be somewhat bearish on this market. Here's your yearly R2 as well. And I want to say between these two ranges, it's going to be tough. I'm going to have to wait and see what we do here. And I'm going to have to wait and see what we do up there, because that's also your previous weekly low, daily S1. This is your daily S2. Anything in between here is going to be a little bit of a chop zone for me. Daily on NASDAQ, okay, bearish. Why? Somewhat of a bearish engulfing candle. We took the previous daily high. This becomes a fake out to the upside, failing to break out and hold that resistance level there. So that becomes a fake out. Your expectation would be to continue lower to come and test this range, which we have done now. So that objective has been met. But now going into this session, let me just bring this also across. Now going into this session, very, very simple on NASDAQ. Very clean, very simple. There's your zone. All right. Continuous rejections there. We're going to the daily S2, that little gray block there. Holds above. Very, very simple. We're going for Asia highs. All right. So it's a simple zone. You're looking at bearish if we hold below, bullish if we hold above. As simple as it gets. Gold daily, let's quickly run through it. Gold daily for me now. Oh, okay. You see that, Chad? We did take the previous daily high. Okay, and now breaking the low. This is pretty bearish, Chad. So if we can hold below the previous daily low, we've already taken the high. So if we can hold below here, this zone right here, it's going to be bearish. Otherwise, if we start holding above this little gray box here, this could give us some type of a bullish push. Why? We haven't tested the daily S1. We just broke cleanly through it. We can, as a minimum, come to test that. Otherwise, we are going daily S2, previous weekly high. Okay. GU, let's quickly look at GU for the currency, boys. GU, I would have been bearish today, in all honesty. And the reason I say that is because this was that key level we were talking about. We broke above. We failed to hold above it. We came straight back down. I would expect now for price to go and retest the bottom end of this range and then also potentially breaking lower. So I would have started off this morning being bearish on GU, and this is that zone we marked out. Okay, so let me just remove that daily zone. It's starting to look like a little bit of a cluster here. So before the session started, I marked out this zone here. There's the key level. There's your weekly pivot. Your daily pivot is also in here. So for me, I'm going to love to take some sells if we get something like this. Otherwise, buys I don't necessarily like. I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I don't necessarily like the buys. So unless we really start holding above here, this is the play that I'm going to look for. If we get it, we get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it. All right. You get what you get and you don't get upset. That is what the markets have taught me. And last one, GJ. GJ, I would have been neutral for the fact that we're still continuing bullish here. This market is still super, super bullish. Let me just clean up some of these key. Okay, but these are key levels. Sorry, Keeks, I'm almost done.
Nah, bro, go for it. We got time, bro.
That is also a key level there. All right, just want to clean up some of these. That's not really a key level. Okay, there we go. These are 3 zones. Okay, so now we've come to test this breakout zone here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's that little breakout zone that we've tested now. There's that gap closed. We spoke about that gap the entire week. That has now officially been closed. Let's just look left. Yes, beautiful. There was your gap. Nice little bottom wick, double bottom here on the daily S2. Now back above the daily S1. I like this, Chad. I actually marked this out before the session. This would have been my action play this morning. I don't know what trade you guys took. Here was a nice potential trade set up there. That's one trade you guys could have taken, and then there was also the potential for the buys here as well. So I don't know what you guys took. Nice little short there below daily S1, below Asia lows, daily S2. Just, yeah, easy as they come. What was this? 40 pips. Okay. So for me now, it's just a case of what we do here. If I can get a nice little support structure here, I'm going to take it from Asia lows to Asia highs. And then after that, there's that key level. Look at that beautiful rejection off that key level. And then after we get above there, this thing can pull all the way back up. But Chad, hope you guys enjoyed that analysis.
Don't forget USD Swiss, brother.
USD Swissy, let's go through the Swissy. Swissy on the day is somewhat chalked. This is chalked. This is what you call range. This is ugly stuff here. Let's check the lower time frame for some context here. Oh, no, ugly. Nothing here. It's just the thing can go either way. You don't want to be part of that. It's all in the daily. Oh no, ugly. But over to you, Kicks. Chad, give me
ready for it.
Chad, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed that analysis.
The guys are coming in hot for it, bro. They are ready for it. I know put in the bot on overdrive. I know just putting that bot on every single chart. It's with Project G members. Are you trading NP with? Yeah. All news events we trade with the Project G members. Alright guys, so gonna be locked in. As we said, we are obviously quite bearish, but that's the thing. The cracker gives a signal, we take it. So it wants the buys, maybe it knows something we don't. I'm not going to be completely against it, I just don't like it. But hey, the crackers also told us to do very funny things right after a news event, and it was right. So sometimes, hey, the cracker's gotta pull a carrot out of the hat.
Alright.
Officially a Prodigy member. Hey, Dono, we're great to have you there, brother. Yeah, guys, when you think about it, it actually really is an awesome little special that goes for the Prodigy guys now. So if you were ever thinking about it, there's value for money for you. All the best with the cracker. We know you guys. Amina, we really appreciate it. We're going to see if it comes through. Buy one, get one free, 100%. We were talking about it. If you even just go to any of your other mentors who trade news events, that's what, 250 Rand a news event. Like if you just doing the 4 news events, let alone FOMC and stuff like just the 4 major ones, that's 1,000 Rand. So you've already covered that at a discount rate for the news events. Let alone...
Can I put that thing off?
Yeah. You can turn it off, bro. Let alone everything else. The massive boot camp. Like, this is going to be a big boot camp we're going to do. There's a lot coming in there. For the guys that already have, for example, worked through the education library, there's more stuff coming. Chris and myself actually said, yo, we have another 5 videos we each have to shoot. So there's even more stuff coming to the education library again for an update. So yeah, we're really pushing to finish the year strong. Is bro, 100%. But let's see. We've basically got 2 minutes left. I think that's it's gonna be tense in the studio tomorrow, bro, for news.
Oh, it's gonna be sweaty.
There's a lot of money going around the studio tomorrow for news, guys.
It's gonna be sweaty.
I think out of anything, I think if things don't go as planned tomorrow, I think tomorrow will be a bleak day.
I know. Sorry, man. I will check. There's like, I don't want to even lie. Let me not lie. How many?
There's people going big. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, there's 15 messages. I know I'm gonna slowly but surely start attacking those WhatsApps.
Yeah, kind of the usual, but there's a lot more of us. So just in the one room, there's quite. As I was saying, in the one room there'll be quite a bit of money going around.
So I bought. I showed Daniel last night. I bought him a tackle bag, and you know that little ruck bag. And I'm like, as soon as it comes, we're going to start training for rugby. That child not cry after I bought him. He's like, he wants to tackle now.
Oh, I thought you were going to say he doesn't want to.
No, he was. And then he was busy tackling me and he's like running into stuff. I'm like, dude, we're going to train. He's like, he wants to train now. He wants to tackle things now. I'm like, we'll tackle on the weekend.
Oof. That man's ready for it, bro. That's the enthusiasm we want to see there. Alright, guys. So if you joined late, it's 30 seconds. The Crackers looking at the nice sunny day outside. It's a good day here at the beachfront. We're going to be looking for those clouds, enjoying the warm weather.
There's one theory I do like on the Cracker, and you know as well. But the thing is,
hold on, brother. Guys, that is round 8. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
there's one level. You know what level?
Yeah.
So that's the one way the bike could work.
If we get it like roundabout here, and we go for it, I'm happy, bro.
But the issue is, all right, this could be a quickie. Some of you married people know all about that quickie life.
Guys, mine the only one frozen.
Yeah, man.
But we are down, so.
Okay, but yours freezes
yeah,
well.
I'm not in, Chad. I'm not in, because it
Mine
is bearish.
is frozen,
Yeah.
broken, bro.
It is bearish though, guys, so we're not in.
Let's go.
Yo. Seth, we don't like that negativity, brother. You gotta be positive out here.
How do you still read the chat and we are... Come on, Sefi. Don't be that guy, my brother. Seth, you get what you get and you don't get upset, my brother.
It's like a little party bag, bro.
Alright, 10 seconds, ladies and gents. 10. Yo, this thing is, it's spicy again.
Yeah.
Spice level 3.
We're not in it, Chad.
Oh, yeah, still not. Still not. Chris is... dude, I don't know why I'm a little bit shaky here. It's like you miss one stream and it feels like you've never traded in your life. It's like, Kiggs, where do I... Oh, okay, it's in that juice zone now.
Refreshing.
Whoa, wait, what am I doing? I can't take a sip. This thing is close now. What was I doing there? It's like you take a sip and you miss the trade.
Not, bro. See the chat. We still didn't, guys.
What about the chat?
They're like, yeah, now there's a juice zone as well.
This could be it.
Guys, I'm just saying, technically we haven't entered and it's been 90 seconds. Meaning, if we did enter, we've avoided that loss.
No, but there was no entry for us.
Shh. Bro,
Oh,
just be positive, yeah. You
but
gotta-
we were never in though.
we could have been in.
Where?
If this was another time on another day,
Oh,
we could have been in, bro. Hey, Amina.
sheesh, there we go. Seeds in the ground. People are planting.
We're still not in it, Chad. Still
Bro,
not.
that's
We chilling out here today.
That thing was on it, but it's not clear, Keeks. What was that?
What do you mean?
Nah, that previous candle.
I wasn't close to it.
Bro, what shot? Oh, okay. Are you back on FP,
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I was on the other one. FP was frozen. Oh, okay. I check you. I feel you.
I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling, yeah, bro.
Let's go. But now it's freezing again.
That's fine, bro. We're gonna go with the luck of the Irish here.
Okay, here we go.
The luck of the Irish.
Here we go. 20 seconds.
Oh, just do it for us.
Yes, dude.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna have to determine this on my terminal because I can't see on.
4 seconds.
I'm in. Chad,
My terminal froze.
Yeah, my terminal also froze. I'm in like over here. They are there. I'm literally, Chad, I promise you, like that bottom wick. That is where I am at.
Oh, bro, I think data came out now because this thing is looking jumpy.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
But why does TP
40.
look like it's so far away?
I know.
Hey? When I'm sitting at TP there, it's like, here. I feel like I have to run a marathon to that TP.
I'll just get 40.
Chad, I'm half risk.
Dude, even on my trading terminal, I'm also off risk. Even on my trading terminal, it's laggy.
We are half risk.
Dude. What is going on here?
I don't know what's going on, bro, but...
Something's up. That 200 and that yearly
gonna be a problem,
the
bro.
yearly R4 is a biggie. Wait, I just want to make sure it's the yearly
It's a yearly
R2. Yeah.
I was like, there's a point in me, I'm like, I wanted to go break even because that thing is going to be a problem. But
Then there's a point of view that says,
we
what is
trust
the
in
rules?
the cracker, bro.
What
Wait,
is
hold
the
on.
rules of the crack?
Yo, and it was 5 pips short from go break even.
50 is break even, eh?
Yeah, so we had 45.
Look, we already touched the dailiest one. It's very likely we could go for that dailiest too.
100%, bro.
And even with the risk off, I'm more than happy to
I'm
give
more than
this,
happy, bro.
yeah.
To take half, we've already had 3%. So if we take a half, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy with that. Can take that one on the chin. It's a bit laggy there, guys, but it is still looking alright on the terminal.
Chin-chins. Alrighty.
Some sweet chin music. Just do it for
Go
us.
for
Just
the
do it for
boys.
us. I just want to let this thing go break even, bro. That's all I'm watching here for. Just give me that break even.
Where do you go break even? 50,
50.
eh? Bro, at
Alright.
50 you can even like close the trade.
Yeah, but that's where, bro. That was just like always our rules.
No. No, I just mean like that's literally on your TP.
I'm going to like teleport at that point.
Can the cracker? Go now, cracker. Bro, there's definitely something. Let me just check News Squawk. There's definitely something because the way even it trades on the terminal, it looks very jerky. Ford confirms it is to halt production of F-150 Lightning from 18th of November. Will resume January 6. AB InBev says they do not see much improvement in China in the short term. MasterCard CFO says US consumer continues to be healthy. GoDaddy study shows that 2024 is shaping up to be the smallest Black Friday ever.
Really?
They're not very positive. That sounds...
Chad, I'm in break even. That thing literally, that's like a pip away from the break even mark. Where is my mouse?
Keys.
Bro, that's for me is a pip away from that. That hit break even, bro. That's 50 pips.
That is break even. I agree with you. Now it just needs to break through that 200.
Break even trade.
That 200 now. That 200 is a beast.
200 and a yearly R2.
Ooh, that's a lot of... It's a lot of...
Come on, baby.
Ooh, there we go.
Come on.
Go. At what stage do we just take what we get here? We're gonna give it one more, Keeks.
Don't say that, because that one more, you're gonna make this thing come all the way back down.
No, it won't. It won't. Let's get it over the line,
Come on, baby. Come on. There, Cracker. Run that 200.
Go for it, Cracker. You
Show
can do
that
it.
200, boss. This is the week.
Wait.
I'm not saying it. I didn't say it.
Dude,
I didn't say it.
I know. Dude, you just make me nervous every time. Dude, you almost threw me off there. Sure.
I know where you're at.
No, I know. Dude, you made... You can't.
I didn't.
You can't. What is this, Timo? What is this, Timo Alex G? Get out of our chat, you fake Alex G. Can be glad you didn't come to Port Elizabeth when you were in South Africa, because we would have cracked your head.
Branson, may I ask why you would risk 50 pips to make 10 more, hey guys, by putting stop loss to break even at 50? Just because of how volatile this trading is. So at 40 we half, but at 50, because there's 90%, we'll basically go break even. But again, that's just the difference of volatility on these pairs, where it can not necessarily go all the way down. If it does, that's just part of it. But it's more just trusting the trading plan. That's why we'll do it so late into it. But again, it's purely because it's such a volatile pair.
Just dude, I was trying to lock here, but it's...
Go for it, bro. That yearly R2 and the 200, it's going to be a war, bro.
But the thing though is when it punches through,
it's going to punch. This thing can... I want to see what the higher time frame actually looks like.
This thing can run to the upside.
Yeah, Chad, remember, age of low is that retest, weekly previous low. Go!
I'm locking it in there. I locked it. Sorry, bro. It's what is it? It's like 5 points away. I'm not. It's like Chad. I locked it. It was like 5 points away. Literally 5. I locked it. You guys can go for full TP, and you will. But I had to lead the way for you guys.
Yeah,
there
TP,
you go.
baby. The cracker again, baby.
Keeks, you know what this means.
Yeah, he is a legend. He is a legend.
There we have it, ladies
Chad.
and gents.
Okay, back to normal viewing.
So the cracker 100% win rate this week. And again, guys, is this the week? The screen freeze, some seconds missed, and seems manipulated and missed data. Wait, what?
No, what's the name now? All of our terminals, yeah, even on different brokers, bro, there's something up with US30. There's something up with US30 FP markets, keeps on freezing. Oanda was freezing. Even IC markets.
But there we go, guys. Another one in the book. There you go, boys. Keegs was upset I wasn't here yesterday to see the W, so made sure to make it today. Hey! Flamena, we appreciate it. Myself and Billy, we acknowledge your appearance here today, and we'll thank you for that attendance. There was no roll call needed this time around. Flamena was right there to put her hand up and go, appreciate the W. So from myself and Billy, we salute you.
Here we go. Alrighty.
Hey guys, there we go. Now we're gonna wait for Chris to provide us with that 10-pip banger. GJ coming in clutch here.
Bro, what are you? Why are you guys? No, man. What is this? What is this madness here? This craziness going on here? What is this craziness? Alright, Chad, we said we will give you guys a 10 per banger before we leave here.
Oh, there's the millennial boys.
Oi!
Look at that, Chad. You mentioned 10 pips and they're there. That 10 pip gang is strong.
10 is 10, my brother. 10. Chad, here's the thing. Do you want 10 of something or do you want 0 of nothing? I'm just saying. Think about it.
Alright, boys. I'm just saying. That is now 10 out of 10. So do we go 12 for 12 tomorrow? Let's see who drops the ball, baby. Who's going to be the one to drop the ball?
Bro, what did you just say now? Wait.
No, I didn't say that.
Bro,
Chad, what did I say at that time?
Wait, what did
There's no jinx in anything there.
Bro, wait. Geeks, no, man. Don't. What did you say now?
I did not jinx it there.
Wait, let me just hear what you said now.
Hold on. Hey, there you go. Ruben loves you and your 10 pips, Chris.
Keeks, wait.
What now?
Wait, what did you say right now? Wait, just repeat what you said now.
No, Brandon. Last NFP, we actually had the worst week.
Yeah.
So that's not the same thing, bro.
But you said something about dropping the ball.
I said which one is gonna drop the ball.
What do you mean by which one?
Maybe one of them don't. Maybe we go for 30 in a row before someone drops the ball.
Wait, what are we talking about here?
The trades.
But why did you say a ball will be dropped? Did you?
No, but we can go 30 before the ball gets dropped. Chad, this guy thinks it's like if
Chad,
you mention it, it's gonna happen tomorrow.
Chad, I'm not trading tomorrow. Chad, I'm not trading.
Bro.
This man finds a way. I'm gonna have to. Amina, please put a prayer. Let's break this thing tonight. Chad, if you're a person of prayer.
Oh,
bro, no, man.
bro, it's not the same thing.
Oh, Keeks, bro.
Bro, it doesn't count if you're not in it.
No, we can't. No.
Bro, that's like if I said it when we were in this trade, that drop off would have happened when we were in it.
Yeah, but you said who's gonna drop the ball tomorrow?
Yeah.
But you're talking about either one of us.
I didn't say tomorrow. I said who's gonna drop the ball.
But you mean like for taking a loss?
Yeah, one of us.
We can't.
Okay, hold on. So what
We
if I
can't-
go
no,
and
no, we
say?
can't.
What if
Never,
I go and say
never.
we're gonna take a loss? Then that means we're gonna win.
No. We just never. We don't mention anything. Yes, the Keeks. I'm gonna need to.
Hey, wait. But Miles said it in London.
What did Miles say?
He still said we've had 100% win rate. So who's gonna be the? Exactly. So he said in
Miles,
London.
where's Miles? Miles, bro, you guys, no. When did Miles say that? Miles, are you still here?
Where's Miles? I promise you, Miles
You
said
guys,
that as
you guys can't say stuff like that. Absolutely, it's a no. No. We've been over this. We don't say any. Okay, yeah. Miles there with the Dono. Miles, we don't talk about losses here, Chad. Amina, wait. Amina, please break that thing for us quickly. Where's Amina? Amina, quickly break it for us there in the chat. We need Amina to break it for us quickly. Where's Amina?
this man.
Bro, we
How
can't.
do you
we
believe
can't.
in all these things,
We
bro?
can't, we can't wait. Amina? Where's Amina? Amina. We need Amina now. Where's Amina? Quickly break it there for us in the chat. Amina. The boys are reckless here.
Bro, we're gonna have to get one of those orbs. Those little shake it.
Dude, where's Amina? Must I phone her here on WhatsApp?
Bro, 100% that's our next thing. What's that thing called? An 8-ball. Can an 8-ball pass a prop challenge?
Where is Amina?
Well, there, Miles is already saying it, bro.
Wait, what is
But then Miles, but now you're going to jinx it again.
No.
You can't say it and jinx it. Hey, wait. How do I get crapped
There
on
we
and you
go.
can say it?
100% win rate, Kicks. We only think about winning.
Chad, am I the only one seeing this?
Nazam, please ask Amina just to break it with that prayer. We just need Amina just to come and cleanse this chat for us.
Bro, Chad,
Nazam, please.
am I the only one that sees this? Am I like the
Nazam.
only one that jinx us?
No, you and Miles. We need Nazam. Please tell her we need it.
But Miles is the one that just said it now.
What did he say?
He goes and says 100% win rate. And then you're like, yes, that's the way. But if I say it, then I'm jinxing us.
You said you're waiting for somebody to drop the ball.
No, but in the past. Like earlier, I didn't say 100% win rate because then you'd say I'm going to jinx us then.
No, you can't jinx us then.
But then
Not with the 100% win rate. No, dropping balls. Yeah. Where's
Chad?
Amina. Yo, we need Amina. Come on.
No, Chad, I get the thing of I spoke it in a negative way. He spoke it. But the same way, when I mentioned
we
the
can't
win
mention
earlier was
anything.
still a
We
positive
we
way.
just keep
And that's
it
where he
moving.
nearly wanted to say I chalked us.
No, we just keep moving. We keep it moving. Once this legends. Hey, there we go. Amina, come on, break that thing for us
We'll
quickly.
go with the Once's Legends.
Yo. Amina's just gonna say that prayer there for us, Amina, in the chat. Amina, they're trying to do. They're trying to say we're gonna drop a ball tomorrow. We're going flawless, Chad.
Hey.
No, Keegs is. Here's the thing, Chad. I'm gonna be very honest with you. What we've seen with the cracker, when the cracker is hot that week, it's hot. Yeah, Nazam, either you or Amina need to give us that prayer there. But Keegs,
You only drop balls at 13, not at you.
alright. Amina, they almost gave us some bad juju here. Just give us that line that you gave us last time.
Hey,
Wait.
one for a big yo guys. We start these Dono wars again, yeah. Shot in his arm.
In the name of God, there we go. Keegs, in the name of God, we've cleansed you and Miles. We don't drop stuff here. We just keep it in the air. Thanks, Amina. Thank you so much. I missed my trade. I wanted to take this GJ shortage. Missed it. Yeah, missed. Chad.
So, and there those millennial boys are back.
Yeah, Steve. Do I enter later? 4 pips already? No, can't. Shite. Chad.
Aggressive. Be aggressive.
Chad, sorry man. This was the trade on GJ. There's that 200 rejection. There's that off round number. Previous weekly high.
Aye.
Previous daily low.
Oh, London.
So yeah, that would have been in and out. There's your minor structure break. Remember this zone I said bullish if we hold above, bearish below. So ooh, look at GU. There's that zone we spoke about. Chad, okay, wait. Chad, what did I say about GU? What was I looking for on GU? Sure.
Oh, and yeah. Oof, guys.
The boys are going in here.
Yo, Chad. DXY having an aggressive turnaround all the way back to Asian days.
Sheesh.
Yeah, that is a big candle.
Yes, dude. You teeing me up here saying stuff like that. Yo, that is a big candle.
Guys, I'm not even going to say, Chad. No way this man's head goes.
Dude, my head is all over the place. That is why, Chad, I chatted to somebody yesterday and I said, the Chad thinks I'm praying for them. I am praying for them as well, but I need God every single day. I'm the first one that will say, my brother, I need God every single day for a lot of things. I've said it so many times before. Not ashamed of it. Not at all ashamed of it. So yo, that GJ. Yo, that was nice. Yo, beautiful retest there. Chad, who took the GJ short? Let me know. This was beautiful. Even on the 30-minute, look at that 200 EMA rejections there. Just wait for it to load.
So, Michael, on
Check
technical, normal technicals, they should do opposites.
Yes, dude, that would have been my week done.
Hey, bro, still one big one tomorrow.
GJ.
Previous weekly highs, I'd actually look at for that little bit of a retest. But if it fails, yeah, like let's say if it gets a retest, Brian, and it fails, I'd even probably say a fuller, a more bearish continuation.
Chad, I missed 2 trades, and I'm looking at the P&L for the week. I'm trading a main account next week, but just by even by missing those 2 trades, that would have been an extra $400. But just to give you guys an idea, obviously risking like almost 5% of this smaller account. Just want to show you guys, yeah, the one break-even trade is the one break-even trade was the one that I took with Miles, where it literally sniffed my TP and I hit that break-even. And then also I think you guys took a short this morning, and this trade I missed, yeah. So I'm not taking that. I'm just taking realized. And that's basically $1,000 for the week so far. And then also the 2 crackers I cut short, so that's about another 100 there. So you don't need a lot of capital.
Oh, again. Hey, bro, and again, it's funny, like, look at that. We took the trades. We were, what, 280, 290. And trades are done. Now we're at 213.
Oh yeah, the guy's just pipping
Team Pip gang. Guys, the only thing is the Dono wars at this point is Miles versus Miles. This
Yeah, you have to.
this was Chris, guys, bidding against himself.
When was this done?
The minor odds.
Oh. Did I be against myself?
Bro, guys, this is we had literally at the back table there. Like, guys, that typical noisy table at the back, that was us. And Chris is literally at the head of the table, looking at the stage. Chris is bidding at this thing, just running that price up. And he puts a bid in, and he just puts a bid in. And eventually the lady says, she's like, "Sir, you're raising yourself." And
Dude,
he's
was
like,
I raising myself?
Ed, please tell me if I'm lying. Ed, guys,
Dude.
Ed was there. Ed, please tell me if I'm lying. But Ed's over the Dono and Lyndon. No, guys, that's Amina. That's how you know that night ended. It was.
Bro, don't tell my wife though. Sure. That will get me into a lot of trouble.
We didn't leave with anything. Like, we didn't buy anything.
I was just bleak. There was one specific item that I wanted. Was it Drickus's gloves?
You wanted Drickus's gloves?
Yeah.
And I think it wasn't. I think you did bid on it, but you didn't. It wasn't a big thing. It was It's the Best boot or something. I think it was It's the Best. One of
No, it was Sia. It was Sia Kulis's left boot or his right boot.
Yeah. I just remember there was one of the guys' boots.
Why did I stop though? Where did we stop the being for the gloves?
Brian, do you want me to say that the stream?
Wait.
Do you want me to?
Are you telling me I stopped at 48,000 for a glove? Is that where I stopped? And I think it sold for 57.
I think it sold for 62.50.
Did I stop at 48?
Yeah.
Dude, why didn't you throw me out of that place?
Bro, you were going. We just left you, bro.
The previous mana aunt, Chad, but I got some awesome memorabilia. Actually, I bought the Springbok match ball, the actual ball they played with all of the certification and everything. And I get home and I leave it in the boot.
No, but Ed even though you did.
Okay. And I got home and I left it in the car for like 3 days. And then like on the 4th day, I snuck in the stuff I bought and I just put it behind the couch. And then after a week, my wife's like, "What's here behind the couch?" And I'm like, "What do you mean?" And I'm like, "Oh, that stuff." No, it was a lucky draw that I won at the thing. And she's like, "Did you win 3 lucky draws?" I'm like, yeah, we were very lucky to have won.
Chad, but you know the worst part is when we were leaving, and I'm just going to say they're very clever the way they do it. They start off with the light stuff, but they literally have like a 10-minute talk, then it's a break, and guys go get more drinks. Then they come back 10 minutes, break. And in between the breaks is when they start auctioning. But as the auction goes on through the night, the more expensive stuff comes out.
Yeah.
And also the more drunker everyone is. So we laugh because when you leave, you see the guys go fetch their items. And none of them look happy when they come out. Because it's that realization you just had to go pay now.
Yeah, because they've got their little machine right there.
So then they realize how much they just paid for something when they're walking out with it.
Chad, beautiful movie on gold. I don't know who was taking notes. There's that zone. Previous daily low rejecting. There was another minor retest on the weekly R1. I think the only thing that would have gotten me a little bit nervous on gold was the fact that we're at that daily S2. But again, beautiful break below daily S2, top wick. This thing is just absolutely melting now.
Yeah.
So I don't know who took some notes there. Previous daily low, Chad, these levels work. Do not sleep on the pivots, previous daily lows and highs.
But again, guys, simple thing we also spoke about how many times. Daily S1. If you can break it and hold the daily S1,
Daily S2.
daily S2. That's a rule that's been started from the beginning.
Here's your daily S1 currently holding. There's also that zone there. So we could play between these two zones here.
Hey, Lyndon, very, very good thing, guys. Remember, leading into tomorrow, Friday Forgotten Bangers. Guys, please come prepared. We are all coming prepared tomorrow.
Chat, for the guys that want to partake, I will be posting it 30 minutes before the stream starts in the chat section. The entry form is going to be there. Please do go and prepare well. It's any Friday. We want to finish the week strong. Last week, Jex was the only one that I feel came prepared. The rest of you guys, it was a tough scenes coming out of the Friday Forgotten Bangers.
My only thing is, bro, till today, we have one problem. The guys also only think of Friday Forgotten Banger. When we say banger, guys, does not mean party song. It does not mean a club song.
No.
When we say banger, it's a flippin', like that was a tune. That's a song you flippin' playing in the car, singing along to. It's an all good tune.
Lyndon, I love you, my brother, but if you play the Forgotten Banger, you played on the first one.
Oh.
You remember that first one? Lyndon played something.
Lyndon came out with that house music, but yeah. You guys still doing the opening range? Brandon, we obviously look at it. I'm not going to say we don't look at it. It's something you can keep in mind, but yeah, we haven't been trading it. I've got already, bro, off the top of my head, I've got what good one I have in mind. My only problem is I feel it's strictly South African. If you weren't South African, you wouldn't know it. But if you are South African, you would know it.
Tell me. Yeah, you can't go 50-50. You can't gamble on the banger Friday. You can't.
You have to
I feel like that for me is when you've already had like 3-4 bangers every week, and you just want to like spice it up. I would say go back to the drawing board.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, wait.
I know what I'm doing, bro.
But Okay, no. I feel that
If
you
they
can.
say that isn't, bro.
We can start with that one. That one is true.
Chad, I'm just saying already, and Chris isn't agreeing with me.
True.
Yeah, we'll literally open with mine tomorrow. And if you Oaks say that is not a Friday Forgotten banger, then I give up. I give up on life, on music. I don't know.
We should end the week strong and start the new month with a bang tomorrow. 100% Nizam, we will.
Ooh, Najam, I think that's a good one. We need Fobs. Fobs has been hard on the guys. Fobs, I think you need to be one of those in that list for your Friday Forgotten bangers, bro.
And you know why? The thing is, Fobs was hard on the guys, so they are going to be extra hard. Fobs.
Is Fobs still, yeah. Ishmael's let Fobs know, guys, if he's not, yeah. He's been hard on the boys.
Chad, let's get 8 to 1K subs. There's rocks. Neural Net update. We took 121 trades this week for a profit of $1,734 for the week, $4,030 for the month. Hey, Hanu.
All right, Miles, we'll see you tomorrow, brother.
Where's Miles? Where did Miles say anything?
Yeah, but it's a little bit up. We're obviously doing the music stuff, but he said he's out, so you'll see us tomorrow.
All right.
But bro, I think that's a session, eh?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if you prepared to go full screen.
No. Oh, full screen, I thought.
Yeah. No,
If I'm prepared to take risky positions, yeah.
no, I actually have to sort some stuff out. So if we are done and we can get out here a little bit early, that would be great. We had a nice long London session yet this morning.
Was it long?
Yeah, we finished, I think, just before 12.
Alrighty,
Gold
kicks. We are.
extended, USD. No, guys, I think as Chris was saying, USD can just bounce. That daily S2, that yearly R2, it's messy up and down there now. But yo, guys, we came prepared this week.
Oh yeah.
The boys absolutely delivering. But yo, Chris, any closing remarks there, brother?
No. I think irrespective of tomorrow, the week has been solid. I think very, very good week overall. A lot of good ideas shared, a lot of trades, very good trades taken. It's not that you chase win rates. Chad, let me just say that. It's not like you chase win rate, you chase process. So if you stick to the process, at the end of the day, the results will follow. So sometimes it's just a case of going back to the process. Tune your process, fine tune it, stick to it, and the results will take care of itself. But really appreciate it, Keeks. Last session, good energy. Forgotten bangers tomorrow.
Yeah, Ashley, yeah, that's exactly what she was saying. Friday for bangers. So you guys know on Fridays you have the OGs in the building. We are here for London and for New York. But yeah, always good, Chris, having you here. Keep in mind, guys, NFP tomorrow. If you guys are wanting to trade that with us, you guys can make the most of it. Project G, signing up now, and you guys get December free as well.
Are you giving the guys December free as well?
Guys, I've got December free. So you guys are getting two. That's
Giving the guys December free as well, Chad.
The one and only special the 2Gs do.
Sure.
We do Black Friday. It is the end of year. So you guys sign up now. You get December free. But we're going to see you guys there. The prep call tonight with all the Project G members. And again, also building up to the massive end of year boot camp, which is going to be a big one.
Yeah.
So trust me, that's also going to be a goodie. But other than that, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and make sure you're ready for NFP tomorrow, guys. Peace and love, baby.
Chad, just one thing. For everyone that donated, for Keegs as well, especially Keegs for the trade. Keegs, just want to tell you. All right, Chad. See you guys tomorrow.
Cheers, Chad.